Yo, what is up, crypto crew? Welcome back to a brand new cryptocurrency video. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how you guys can utilize the EMA and how to incorporate that into your TradingView account and use that to trade either crypto or stocks at a better scale. So before I get into this video, make sure you smash that subscribe and like button, knock them ankles loose, and let's get on to this video. So what we're going to do is go straight into the indicators on the TradingView chart. Once we're here, we're going to type in EMA. It's going to be the first one, the moving average exponential. We're going to do two of these because we're going to use a 13 and a 34-day close moving average. So once we have those two set, for the first one, we're going to go into settings. What I like to do is, because what we use this for is to look at when a stock is either oversold or overbought. So for the top line, I like to keep it red to indicate, okay, this is oversold, so we should, or overbought, so we should try getting out of it. We're going to make this a line, make the thickness, and then we're going to go to inputs and change this to 13, and we're going to hit OK. Once we do that, we're going to go to the other one, change this to 34, and make this one, we'll do blue. Make this thick and line. And that's it. That's the 1334 moving average. So now how we utilize this when we're trading. So whenever the red line is above the blue line, it indicates the stock is oversold and it's due for a minor pullback to get back to the average price that it should be at, and the vice versa. Whenever the red is below the blue, you can see that the stock is oversold and it needs to go back to its regular price. So where do we see this as an example? So I'm just using Apple as an example. If we use an example like this, okay, so a lot of this is going to be skewed because of the coronavirus, but okay, this is a good example. So we see that we broke under just for a little bit. Now if you would have timed this correctly and bought it here, it had a huge run up, right? And then it pulled back down because the red was over, meaning it was oversold. It came back down, the red is still over, indicating it's overbought. So once it came back down, oversold, overbought, now it's oversold, so the red is underneath, right? So if you were to time it here, it indicates that it's oversold, and what happened, end up going right back above, meaning it's overbought. So if you would have bought right here and sold right here, that would have been perfect little profit you guys could have made. Now this doesn't always work. You might have a couple outliers like this one, based off news and other factors that could trigger the stock price, but this is for Apple. I just want to show you, if we were to utilize Bitcoin as well, it's the same thing. It works either for crypto or stocks. When the red goes up, it comes right back down. So all it's doing is trying to average out to the first thing. So whenever you see a reversal where these two lines meet, just know something is either about to go up or down depending on the line. Also, looking at Bitcoin, it definitely is overbought. If you look at RSI, it's overbought. It's definitely due for correction. So if you guys have some or bought in here real quick, I'll probably think of selling out. But I am also on the 5-minute chart. These are for small-time traders. But other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. That's how you guys set up the EMA. I personally use a 1334. I think that's the best one personally. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment any questions you guys have. Other than that, as always, guys, keep hustling.